Alright, Assalamualaikum and hello. Welcome to our CSC 404 Programming to Group project presentation. The theme of the project is Internet of Things, and for our group, we have chosen the Smart Home category. Specifically, we have chosen to make an electricity management system for a smart home. The company name that we have chosen is LUQMAN. So in the next slide, here are the group members. TENGKU Muhammad HANAFI bin TENGKU Azmi, myself Muhammad EIZLAN AKMAL bin SAPANTA, Muhammad LUQMAN HANIF bin AYOB, and Muhammad HAIQAL bin MAHTIAR. So, for the introduction, LUQMAN is an electrical company that is situated in Shah Alam. The company has been established in 2020. LUQMAN have created a program that can manage a smart home's electricity usage and is able to automatically calculate the electricity bill. The program is also able to show all the available appliances or devices in the house. It also allows users to register new devices into the program. So up next, Muhammad HAIQAL will be continuing the presentation and will be talking about the problem statement of the presentation.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad HAIQAL bin MAHTIAR. I will present the problem statement and the objective. Nowadays, almost every household have electrical appliance from a small device like table lamp to a bigger device such as oven and refrigerator. These devices consume a lot of electricity to be functioning. Despite having a lot of electrical device, most people didn't keep track of their electricity consumed. Electricity is a very essential source of energy. It is used pretty much everywhere. Usually, house owner will only know their electricity bill from certain authorities such as Tenaga Nasional Berhad. With this, they will never know which device is using the most electricity when the bill is given out. Having various electricity appliances in a house without managing all of them correctly can bring out a risk as we do not know how much power and watts are used for each appliance. When we use high voltage appliances, especially the one that convert electrical energy to heat energy such as oven, microwave and hair dryers, it will cause the bill soar up and bother our budget. By, have, by having a program that can manage the electricity usage and print out the electricity bill, it is very important and useful, especially for the people that has smart home. For the objective, our objective is to let smart home owner keep track of all their electric appliances that are present in their house and also show their wattage. Second, to allow user to input the amount of time used by the owner of each electric appliance. This can be used to calculate and print out the bill. Third is to allow the user uh, to register new device and their wattage for use into the program, and a new electricity bill can be printed out. Moving to the next section.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad LUQMAN HANIF bin AYOB. I'm going to present the important components of our project. I will use the flowchart of our project as my evidence. First of all, when the program starts, it will display a loading bar and followed by the welcome page of the program, in which the user will input the password of the program correctly in order to get in the system. If the password is correctly entered, the program will continue to display the service list, but it will ask the user again to input the correct password if they are wrong. At the same time, when the program displays the service list, it will let the users decide whether they want to display the electrical device list or they want to insert the number of hours they use their electrical device, or they want to know the total price of their electric bill, or they want to add new electrical device. The desires above are listed by numbers from 1 to 4, so users just only have to insert the number of their desire. This program will read the numbers. If the user insert number 1, which means number 1 is true, the program will read the list.txt file and then display the list in the system. If number 2 is true, then the program will read the number of hours used by the users. Then the program will calculate the total price of their smart home electrical bill. If number 3 is true, the program will display the total price of the electric bill that has been calculated in a receipt format. Then the program will ask the user whether they want to print their receipt or not. If the user wants to print it, the program will print the receipt in receipt.txt file. If number 4 is true, the program will ask the user to input the number of device that they want to add. After that, the program will ask the name of the device and the number of watt of the device. After that, the program will ask the name of the device and the number of watt in a loop of the number of devices that they want to add. Then the program will print all of the inputs in the list.txt file. If the user insert other than the 4 numbers, the program will display incorrect input. The program will ask the user whether they want to go back to the menu or exit the program every time the process of each desire ends, including the incorrect sign. If the user wants to go back to the menu, then the program will go back to the desire list or service list and loop the same process. If they want to exit the program, so it will terminate the program. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is TENGKU HANAFI bin Azmi, and right now I will be presenting about the system demo. So first of all, we just need to compile and then run the system. Firstly, we just show the loading page. Yes, we just need to wait for a while, and then it will lead us to the login page. So we just need to enter the correct password, and any incorrect password, the system will just loop again and ask the correct password. It will say the password incorrect, and we need just key in the correct password. Right, so this is the main menu, which is, it has 4 services. Number 1 is electrical device list, number 2 is insert hour use, number 3 is total price, and number 4 is add electronic devices. So we just look at number 1, which is electrical devices list. So it shows the device list with the watts. Then we just press any letter to menu, or just press X to exit. Let's do, so we go back to the menu, and then we choose the service number 2, which is insert hour used. Alright, so let's say we just use aircon for 6 hours, rice cooker 1 hour, kettle also 1 hour, iron maybe 0, hair dryer also 0, television maybe 6, toaster I think 0, standing fan 12 hour, blender 1 hour, and lining also 12 hour. Then we go back to the menu and go to the service number 3, which is total price. So this is our electric bill for today. So the system will ask us to print the receipt, which is yes or no. So we just press Y to print, and no to just ignore the print. And what happened when we input the other input other than Y or no, the system just displayed it is the wrong input, and it will ask again to input Y or N. So we just print the receipt, then we go back to the menu, and then we go to service number 4, which is add electronic devices. So the system will ask how many devices that you want to add. So let's say we just want to add 1 device, and the device that I want to add is laptop charger. And the watt maybe 135. Alright, so we just go back to the menu, and then we go back to the list, and the list already updated, which is at the bottom. You can see that there is a laptop charger with the 135 watts. Alright, we just go back to the menu. Then what if your input is other than 1 to 4? Let's say your input is 8. The system will say it is the incorrect input, and we just go back to the menu and proceed. Alright, so I think that's all for the system demo. And then the way we want to exit, we just press X to exit, and the system will close automatically. Then we go at the file location, and you can see that there is the receipt file, which is it shows us the electric bill for today. So I think that's all for the system demo. Thank you very much.
Alright, so in conclusion, the objectives of our company is to create a very useful and reliable program that can manage smart homes electricity usage. We hope that all smart home owners will use our program to be implemented into their houses so that they can be rest assured that all their devices and also appliances are not using way too much electricity. This would cause the electricity bill to go very high. And they can also check the electricity bill without needing to be informed by certain authorities such as Tenaga Nasional Berhad. That is all for our group project presentation. Thank you very much for lending your ears and have a nice day.